iOS 18 – How to add multiple pages to Control Center. iOS 18 overtakes the Control Center by allowing you to reorder, resize, and remove buttons, access a controls gallery, and include multiple screens, moving away from the single screen layout of recent years. We've got to show you how to create dedicated pages for numerous control types like connectivity, HomeKit devices, and accessibility options. The new Control Center comes with multiple default pages which can be freely customized, added to, or removed. The system accommodates up to 15 separate screens, providing unprecedented flexibility when compared to previous versions of iOS. GadInsider has a step-by-step guide on how to add multiple pages to Control Center in iOS 18. First, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to launch Control Center. Tap the circle icon at the bottom of the icon list, which indicates a new blank page. Tap Add a control to open the controls gallery. Use the search field at the top or browse the controls with a finger scroll to find the control you want to include on the page, then tap it. Use the anchor corner. Drag with your finger to expand the control. When finished, tap a space on the page to exit editing mode. Control Center smartly assigns icons to each page based on its content. When controls exceed the available space on a page, or if a resized control gets too large, the Control Center automatically creates a new page and relocates it.